Now, prefix is a word for added to the beginning of a base word. It changes the meaning of the word. A suffix is a word part added to the end of a base word that changes the meaning of the word. Then a root. A root is a basic word part, usually from Greek or Latin language, that carries meaning. Now, the prefix re means again or back. The suffix e means having or like something. It changes a base word into an adjective. The spelling of a base word may change slightly when the suffix e is added. For example, in a word that ends in e, the final e may be dropped. Words that end in a vowel may be followed by a consonant, may double the consonant when the e sound is added. And the word graph. The word graph means to write or record. So, for example, the word re means again or back. So we add it to the beginning of the word count. The meaning changes. So if you recount something, it means to count it again or count it back. So when I see the prefix re in other words, I will know the word means doing something again. Now, the suffix e means having or liking something. It changes the base word into its adjective. So when you add the suffix e to a base word like single, the meaning changes. So when you feel a tingle, you get tingly. The spelling of a base word may change slightly when the suffix e is added. For example, in words that end with e, such as tingle, the final e may be dropped. Words that end in a vowel followed by a consonant may double the final consonant when the e sound is added. Sun, which is S-U-N, becomes sunny, which is S-U-N-N-Y. So when I see a suffix e in a word, I'll know the word is the adjective that means having or like something. The word graph means to write or record. A photograph is an image that is recorded or saved. If I see the root word graph in other words, I'll know the word has something to do with writing or recording. With that knowledge in hand, let's try out these words. First, let's look at the word reorganize. Reorganize. What is the base word? If you said organize, you're right. The base word is organize. So, what does reorganize mean? So, if re means to do it again, reorganize means to organize again. Let's try the word achy. What is the base word in achy? So the base word in achy is ache, which is actually spelled A-C-H-E. But the Y was taken away, the E was taken away for the E sound, or you say the letter Y. Now, what does the word achy mean? So the word achy means having an ache, or like an ache. Last but not least, look at the word homograph. What is the base word in homograph? That's right. The base word is graph. Now, what does the word homograph mean? Now, some people may say this word seems familiar, but some of you guys may remember that homo means same. So, in graph is something that is written or recorded. So, a homograph means something that is written or recorded the same. So, usually two words that are written the same, like let's say read